Yeah, you're painting backwards, right?
Me.
You're using your left hand.
Because I'm left-handed.
It's a right-handed brush. All right, so I got the kayak rack done, or YakRack. It turned out fabulous. Couldn't be any more happier with this. The only thing left to do is put a corner brace right here, and on the other side. So 4 more corner braces. They're already cut and painted. I just need to screw them in. I just haven't done it yet. We're getting ready to leave and go on a kayak trip here in a few minutes, and I wanted to finish this video up. So that's what's going on with me. Right now this rack can fit 6 kayaks and a potential 2 more at the very top. That's why I left it a little long. And then in the winter I'll strap them down or lock them down, and then probably just put a tarp over the entire thing and store them right here during the winter. I think it'll be fine. Let me know in the comments below if you've stored these outside in the winter. Here it gets pretty close to 0 in the winter time. It probably averages around 20 to 30 degrees, but it can get pretty cold here. I think it'll be okay, but if you have any other experience on this, let me know in the comments below. If I need to put them inside, I guess I'll have to come up with a better solution, but I really want to just store them right here and be done with it. That's really all I got. Don't forget to check out my second channel. It's MF Outdoors. I'll put a link in the description below, and then I'll finish this rack up with those braces, and this will be done. So that's all I got for you this week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.